Hey everyone, Zach with Landbouw here. We're going to talk about our OEM replacement poly. So something that's new to us is we have developed the Case IH 2000 and 3000 series poly, direct OEM replacement. Right now we're just selling the skins, so just the snoot skin and the hood skin. Reason we got red and yellow is because obviously if you know Case IH New Holland, it works for both. We just got to run it out of a different color. And then we've got in front of us John Deere 90 series snoot and 90 series poly divider hood. I'm sure there's a lot of you that roll over some snoots every year. It's just part of farming. But one thing I would encourage you to do is not go and spend your money at OEM. You're gonna pay double what we're charging. Come to us. Let us hook you up. We've got options for the 900, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 3000 series Case IH. And then on the John Deere side, we've got the 40 series, the 90 series, the 600 series, the 700 series, and the brand new C series. So we can help you. We can hook you up, save a little money, put some money in a small business's pocket.